In this video, I'll give you instructions that will help you to remove the malicious pop-ups and fake human verification alerts related to the website News-wivotu.cc. News-wivotu.cc is a malicious site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people click on a special allow button, supposedly as a part of some browser checkup. The reality is that it's a mistake to click on allow. If the allow button was clicked, the browser would be hijacked with multiple pop-ups that would be attacking the screen from time to time in the form of web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you need to fix your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to display notifications. Remove these malicious sites from the list. Don't hesitate to remove other junk sites from that list. Finally, to be sure that the system is free of other threats, I recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the page, the official website, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start investigating the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.